Today class we are going to have a class Sports Biomechanics, course code 6PPE6C1. Course name BSc Physical Education, semester, the final semester, paper, core paper. Myself and Dr. P.Sasikumar. Biomechanics. What is the biomechanics? First, we should know what is the biomechanics. Biomechanics is the science, the study of biological system, particularly their human structures and functions. Biomechanics meaning. We'll have many meanings for biomechanics, but today I'm going to teach you only few important biomechanics meaning. Biomechanics is normally the study of structure, function, and motions of mechanical aspects of biological system. Everybody knows the study of structure, how our body structure is functioning. And motion is nothing but it's in a movement of our body organs. For example, I'll tell you how the shoulders it's rotating, or how our wrist is rotating, how our legs are moving. These kind of structure and functions and motions studies biomechanics. Biomechanics is a branch of physics, we can say it. The other way we can meaning it, biomechanics is a study of mechanical laws relating to the movement of structure of living organs. Our human living organs, how it's mechanically relating, or how mechanically it's moving, or how it's mechanically is rotating, or anything we can say. Anything we can say that is called biomechanics. The biomechanics definition, very simple definition I could tell you. Biomechanics is a science how our muscles, bones, ligaments, and tendons works together to create our body movement. Very simple, everybody can understand very easily. Biomechanics is how it's our bones, muscles, ligaments, and tendons works together to create movement. Particularly, we can say biomechanics is a branch of kinesiology. Kinesiology is nothing but it's a mechanical movement. That's called kinesiology. In sports, particularly biomechanics, what is the aim of biomechanics in the physical education or in the sports field? We can say every movement as a biomechanical movement in sports and games. But I like to tell you only few things. What is the aim? To improve sports performance by identifying and applying optimal techniques. Every sports performance related to techniques and strategy. If we need more high-level performance, or we have to enhance our high-level performance, we should have a biomechanical principles or biomechanical laws. That's what is a major aim. The other aim is prevent injury and speed up recovery. If someone have a very good knowledge about biomechanics, we could prevent our sports injury, and as well as we can recovery from our injuries, as well as very speedy recovery. Next point of view, the benefits of biomechanics. What is the use of biomechanics? We have to learn, or we should have a theory paper on core paper, or we have to major things. What is the use of biomechanics? So in physical education, basically biomechanics principles, it's applying all the ways, all the techniques, all the human bodies, or any kind of stress or pressures, bone, muscles, tendons, ligaments, everything, everything is moving, everything creating the movement. It's all about biomechanics principles. Here, I like to mention few biomechanics benefits for our physical education field. Increase movement, particularly speed. If we are very good in biomechanics, we can increase our movement in speed while running or swimming or any other activities. If we go for any other activities, we can make it our speed as long as possible. So other thing is more power. If we are very good in biomechanics, or we should aware of biomechanics, we can get more power while jumping, hitting some cricket ball or hockey. You can say anything in sports, hitting some of the things while lifting your weight, or lifting your body while you are jumping, or high jump or any other jumps. So biomechanics is benefit of more power. The other thing is energy conservation through economy of movement. The biomechanics is create less energy and more movement. Next one, helps eliminate muscle imbalances. Many sportsmen doesn't know about the balance of our body conditions. So biomechanics is makes our body muscles imbalance, reduce water and tear on joints and ligaments. Biomechanics helps to reduce wear and tears of joints and ligaments of all the sports activities. Improved sports specific from and techniques, major things. Every sports person is working for high level performance. So while working for high level performance, we should have a very good knowledge about biomechanics. Next, in our class, next I would like to tell you about importance of biomechanics in physical education and sports. We have a major importance. Everything in biomechanics, all those things we could need it. But majorly, how is biomechanics important for physical education? Number one, improve our sports performance. In sports, the main things, everyone has a training. Everyone has been doing training. But main concept is we have to improve our sports performance. In biomechanics, the principles teach how to use proper techniques, effective posture, and minimal muscle force to get more efficient result that improve sports performance. The second thing, biomechanics is improves training techniques. In physical education, teachers, they should have a very good knowledge about training techniques. If you are doing any wrong techniques, our result will be negative, or we can make, or we could be any causes of injuries. So use of biomechanics, we can correct or rectify the errors of a sports person to improve execution of their skill. The second thing, discover a new and more effective techniques of performing a sports skill. The third one is quantitative biomechanical analysis and correction of discover new techniques. The other point of importance of biomechanics, prevent of sports injuries and rehabilitation. Today, the many sports persons or athlete, anyone in the physical education field, they are easily getting sports injury. The people who doesn't know how to rehabilitate or how to make speedy recovery because they do not know the biomechanics variables. So if someone has biomechanical values, we can prevent sports injury and rehabilitations. Use of proper techniques, proper equipments, and biomechanics helps to understand our human body also. We are understand about our human body, particularly anatomy and physiological skills, how to functions of our body, how it's working, inner organs, we should have an idea about it. Next, the development of better sports equipments. Biomechanics, it makes better equipment, improve performance and reduce risk of injuries. For example, I'll tell you, in earlier, particularly in the racket sports, tennis or badminton or ball badminton, they used to play heavy weight of rackets. But due to biomechanical uses of science, now we are using very less kind of racket, and another things, use of biomechanicals, it's improve designs of clothing and equipments, for example shoes and aerodynamic clothing for styling, speed skating, cycling and swimming, etc. In development of sports equipment, now we are using very good helmet for cricket, ice hockey and American football and many other sports. We are using very good equipments, so it makes less injuries or reduce risk of injuries. The last one, if you're the physical education teacher or coaches, they have a biomechanical principles, or someone has very good in biomechanics, it helps to improve teaching and learning process. If your biomechanics helps to moving the body with precision, its understanding of biomechanics, it helps to teacher to take right decision at the right time. The last one, understanding of biomechanics, it helps sports person to learn their weaker areas and provides motivation to correct their actions or postures to enhance the performance and prevents of injuries. So today class, what I thought was biomechanics is necessary aspect to improve our physical education performance, and as well as without biomechanical principles we cannot get high level performance. So this is what I would like to share with you all. Thank you.